because you know I'm always looking for a good brow pencil that is not expensive. So I'm going to try this one out. Again, this is the Maybelline 255 Soft Brown au brun clair. Everything's in French. Is it really made in France? Old. Maybelline New York. Made in China. Why do they got a French name on everything then? Just do it in Chinese. We'll need to learn Mandarin. I've been told all the young people are learning Mandarin for business purposes because we do so much business with China. Not going there. Anyway, how do you like my cup? I've showed it to you a number of times, but it says shine brightly. And it's got a golden handle. And it's me. I want to shine. With rhinestones or whatever I have handy. I think I showed y'all this ring, y'all, that I got at the boutique in Orlando, inside the hotel. And it is such a good CZ, y'all. It's so believable. It really is. It's made by R.S. Covenant. And I like it. I like things that sparkle. I got the studs, too. Alright, what else did I get? This is, what did I find in my bags? I don't know. Oh, another mascara. Oh, yeah, I did go on a mascara binge. I'm still trying to find a mascara I love. I will show you the ones that I'm using. Y'all know that I do like the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. And I do like the Maybelline Rocket. But this is a new one by Maybelline. 604, very black. It's called Total Temptation. Of course, I always get the waterproof, so it's blue. The regular is pink. And it says it gives 4 out of 5 people saw bold volume, no overload. Full fluffy lashes. Daisy soy voglio e fuini pastas voluminous e esponjosas. There's 3 languages on here. English, I think French, and Spanish. That's what I'm thinking. I don't see any Chinese, and most of it's made in China. I bet if I were them, I'd be ticked off and say, look, if y'all are going to make products here, we want it in our language too. Because I doubt it's because there's so many French people over here that they put it in French. It's probably because it's made, it gives you the appearance that it's made in France. Maybe it's because it's so heavily sold in France. I don't know. Maybe I'll shut up. No, then I won't have a YouTube channel. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Oh, that's interesting. It's flat right there. Which does give a good place for your thumb. Oh, nice brush. It's a spoolie brush. It's kind of big, but it's not too big. It's going to give me fluffy lashes. Can't wait. We'll put that in the cup. I'll make sure that I use it. What else did I get? No idea. Why is this in here? Oh, I know why. Because I absolutely love my Oleg Cassini glitter crystal votive holder that was made in China. Oleg Cassini. It's signed on the bottom. Isn't he Italian? But it was made in China. But look how it sparkles. Isn't it pretty? Can't wait to put a little tea candle. I didn't want to put a votive candle because then I could get all mucky on the sides. This way, it would just be pretty. But I also would say, if you wanted to, you could take this little sticker off, and I would. But then you got to find a way to get the sticky off. Why do they put stickers on the sides? Put it on the bottom, manufacturers and distributors and sellers. I get so much stuff with a Kroger sticker on it. It's like, y'all, you really want me to buy from you? Quit putting your sticker on everything. I want it to look pretty. I don't want to say made by Kroger. I'm trying to fix my bangs. I could put some pins in here, some little pretty silver pins, or gold pins, or tiny brushes. Or if you want to sit this on your desk, you could fill it full of paper clips, even though I don't know that people even use that anymore. Do people even use a copier or a fax anymore? I don't know. I don't know where to put this. We'll put it right there. It doesn't belong here. Okay, what else is down in there? Oh my gosh, I bought a bunch of stuff. Oh my gosh, Beth. Okay. I got this Maybelline This City mini palette. And this one's called 420 Urban Jungle. Okay, so that's got more green and black tones. This one, the 400 Rooftop Bronzes, has more brown tones. That's why I got them both. Okay. And that's the look that you're supposed to get with that. Kind of a green-black look. And that's a bronzy brown look. Can you see that? Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay. What else did I get? Ah! Another mascara. This is called Total Tease. Full and long. See, I don't like when people have implications. Anyway. Alright, so this is CoverGirl Waterproof Mascara. It's called Tease, like you tease someone. I know, it probably doesn't have that connotation, but I think it actually does. So, anyway. Let's see it. You know, I feel like I bought this before and I didn't like it. Anyway. It's a very long tube. I'm sure most of that is not product. Alright, so that's interesting. So the wand only has bristles on one side, so that would make it easy to make sure you only use that one side. And then the tip end is like a little hairbrush that you can go out and get these little ones on the side and the inner. So that is good. A lot of wands are starting to have the tip end covered in round little spikes so that you can get in the corners easier. It's interesting to me though that this does not have bristles all the way around. That is very interesting. I think the one I got before I tried was not waterproof. Otherwise, why did I get this twice? We never know why I do things. Oh my gosh, Beth. I got another one of these, the Colossal Big Shot. This is the Volume Express by Maybelline, and I do like this a lot, the gold. Maybe we'll do a different mascara each day this week, and a different liner, apparently. Here is the Maybelline 255. Did I get two of these? Did I just get two of the same thing? Beth? Honey? No, that's Maybelline 2. Yes, it is. 255 and 255. Wait, this is Brow Precise. And it has a very tiny nib and a spoolie on the end. And this is Brow Define and Fill Duo, which has a nib on one end and a crayon on the other, or a sponge on the other, that helps fill in, you know, the middle, so you don't have to do little spikes 100 million times before you get it. So I did want to try both of them. So what's the 255? Oh, that's the color. Soft brown is the color, so that's the 255. But one is that says it's new though, which means new. It's color. Okay. Then what else did I get? Another brow product made by Maybelline called Brow Precise. Beth, bless your heart. Oh, but this is 260 deep brown. Oh, soft brown versus deep brown. What do you think? Which should my eyebrows be? People say, you're blonde, it should be blonde. No, because my eyebrows do not show up. No. I did kind of overdid it today because, can I be honest with you? It's black. I just used very little touch. Okay, so I have all kinds of mascaras and liners to experiment with. That is something that, for those of you who are saying, Beth, I thought you weren't buying a whole bunch of new makeup. You always got to try out new mascara. That's what I'm sticking with. Okay, what else did I get? Hydrosource Biolage. Now I got to tell y'all, this is Matrix Biolage, and it's the shampoo and conditioner. This one is the Hydrosource one. And so it's really good for dry hair. It feels like you're putting lotion in your hair when you're washing your hair, and it smells so wonderful. Rinses out really well, but I actually do feel like my hair is different from having used this. It has no parabens, no artificial colorants. It's suitable for color-treated hair. It's 50% recycled plastic. And then if you look over on this side of the back, it says sans parabens, sans colorants artificiels, sans effets sur plastique recyclé. Quench your thirst for beautiful hair. Help revive dry, stressed hair. I have dry, stressed hair. It's on my head, so it's stressed. It's like, you try being around her brain. Okay. What else did I get? Another lotion. Oh, I saw a commercial for this, and it looked really good. I'm such a sucker. Okay, it's Gold Bond Ultimate Strength and Resilience, Proteins and Lipids for Aging and Mature Skin. 84% saw a visible improvement in skin texture in just 5 days. So what it does is it plumps it up. Like makes little pillows of your skin. Puts moisture in there. We'll see. Then I saw this. This is Gold Bond Ultimate Diabetic Skin Dry Skin Relief. Proven effectiveness to hydrate and soothe diabetics' dry skin. 9 out of 10 people with diabetes saw noticeable skin improvement in one, what do you think, week? 1 day? 1 hour. I think I meant to put this back. I was like, 1 hour? Really? So I'm going to use both of these. I don't know exactly how I'm going to divide my body up, but we're going to see which one works. And I did want to get this for my dad. He's not diabetic. I'm not diabetic. I'm pre-diabetic, so I need to lose weight, or I will be diabetic. And get exercise. But apparently, if you're diabetic, you have severe skin problems. I mean, problems with hydration more than most people. So the fact that this works in an hour, there is a little asterisk. What does it say? Asterisk, asterisk. Where's the asterisk? I don't see it. There's probably some test that it's referring to. I really do want to see if this works. And if it does, why is it reserved just for diabetics? That's kind of weird. Anyway, so that's all of my bags of stuff. Y'all, is it weird that I did not even know what was in my bags? I forgot. I totally forgot. I maybe need to have something from memory. Do you ever do that? Comment below. All right. Oh, I also got the prettiest set for my day planner. It is so pretty. This is by JP. And it's just so pretty pinks. For those of you who like day planner stuff. I've only got it half done. I know. I have a half done life. What is going on with me? But look how pretty. Is that beautiful? Even the lighting, the pen that I used is pretty. It's a jelly roll. I think it's kind of like a lavender, which I should have got pink. I think I do have pink. But the lavender looks pretty on here because it's got lavender mixed in it. But just look how pretty that one is. For those of you who just came to my channel for the first time, you're like, she talked about products, Jesus, heaven, hell, day planners. Oh my gosh, she's just so weird. All right, my husband's calling. I love you guys so much. Please come back. Comment below. Like and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.